Hey guys, what's up? So I'm starting off with cleaning my client's face. I'm using Witch Hazel, and this is a toner, and this is just going to get her skin ready for makeup. I'm taking this, what is this, BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm using this to just fill in her eyebrows. I'm making them a little bit thicker than her natural ones, just so they can pop out a little bit more. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to just clean up her eyebrows underneath. And once I'm done with doing this, I'm going to drag all of the concealer down her lid. So once all the concealer is covered, I'm just going to blend that out with like a duo fiber brush, making sure everything's smoothed out. And I'm going to set it with I believe the powder that I use is Too Faced. I'm not too sure, but this is a translucent powder, and it's a pressed powder. Actually, no, it's It Cosmetics. There you go. So now I'm using the Smoky Zoeva palette, and I'm using this to create her, or start on her cut crease. I'm just taking that brown medium color and I'm just putting this in the crease, building it up until it's very intensified. And now I'm just taking the Tarteist Pro palette, and I am using a deeper brown, and I'm putting that in the crease as well, just to deepen the look. You want to make sure you blend this really, really well. Now I'm just using concealer to start cutting the crease. I tell my client to look up, and that just kind of gives me a guideline to where I need to cut the crease, because I don't want any of the product transferring to any other place I don't cut the crease. So now I'm going to start blending eyeshadow and kind of blending out the concealer. So I'm taking that darker brown and just kind of blending that into the concealer on both sides. I also take that dark brown and deepen up the crease. Next, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty palette. This has gorgeous colors in it. I'm going to take that deeper brown and put it towards the outer portion of her lid, and then I'm going to take a lighter shimmery color and I'm going to put that on the rest of her lid. Now I'm just cleaning up her crease and just blending out whatever needs to be blended out. Going in with a makeup wipe, I'm just wiping away all the fallout that has happened, and I'm also using this to create a straight line from her eye to her eyebrow. Next, I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. But before I do that, I wanted to prime. I forgot to do that, so I'm doing that now. This is just a pore blurring primer. And with that concealer, I'm just putting it on the other eye. And then I'm going to use my finger to warm up the product to blend that out. Alright, so now moving on to foundation. This is the Graftobian foundation. This is the cream foundation. This also can be used as a concealer. I absolutely love this foundation because it's full coverage and it stays for a very long time. I'm also putting that under the eyes with a smaller brush to just cover up that orange under her eyes. Alright, so I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. I'm using a darker color from the Graftobian palette that I had. And I'm just kind of deepening her cheekbones and her nose. And now I'm going to go straight into highlighting her face. This is an LA Girl Pro Concealer. And you want to apply it everywhere that you would highlight. And so I'm going to blend this out with a disposable sponge, and then I'm going to go back in with a beauty blender to blend it out even more. I'm using the Benign Neutral Set powder, and I love this stuff so much. I'm just going to use this to set under the eyes and wherever else on the face. Alright, next I'm going to do the liner. This is just e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm going to start with the wing first and then just drag out. And I'm putting on the lashes. I tell my clients to look down for this part, that way the glue doesn't connect to the bottom of her lashes or lash line. Alright, going in with the NYX contour palette, I'm taking the deeper color and the second to deepest color and just deepening up the contour on her face. I'm also going back into the Zoeva palette, I believe, or the Tarte's Pro palette, and I'm just putting eyeshadow on the bottom of her eyes. I'm applying mascara to the top and bottom lashes. And now I'm applying a really great blush that I love so much. It just gives a really nice glow to the face. And now I'm lining her lips. This is a MAC liner. I'm not sure of the color, but after this I am just going to put on the Fenty lipstick. This is this one in the red color. And to blend it in just a little bit more, I'm going to take that liner again and kind of just smoothen up the edges. And that is it, guys. I hope you love this look. I absolutely love this look when I was done with it. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in a later video.